One of my favorite accessories of all for filming, whether using your phone or an action camera, is this clamp right here. So this comes in from Cambo Photo, and what it is a clamp that also has a magic arm that goes to a quarter thread and comes with a phone mount and an action mount. So if you wanted to film something with your phone, maybe a time lapse, you can clamp it onto like a pole. If you want to get some action shots, you can clamp it onto like your handlebars. So like right here, we can undo the clamp. And what's really awesome is you have this part right here, which opens out. So if it's a rounded pull, you can use the inside. If it's a flat surface, you can put these bits down, these grips, and it will be a lot better on those flat surfaces. Go ahead and tighten it. It's nice and strong. You can just tighten it as hard as you can. And then you have this magic arm here, like a dual ball head arm, and then you can loosen that to move it around how you need to get your shot, and it's not going to go anywhere. It's just like a great little accessory. So I could throw my phone on there and yeah, get those time lapses or get videos. It's a great product, really strong, well made. Something I would take with me everywhere because, for one, it doesn't take up that much space, but also it's just so versatile that it's like, it's going to be your favorite accessory. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.